Steven? It didn't require a jumping cable this time?
No, it didn't require a jumping cable.
So that was the problem then, was the starter.
Motorcycle jack. Comes in handy.
Oh, that's a motorcycle jack?
Yeah. That's a motorcycle jack.
That's specifically just for motorcycles, but you used it for a car?
Specifically, unless you specifically use it on something other than motorcycles. So, clean this map sensor up real quick. We'll be done with it before it rains.
So then we'll all be able to take the car to work tomorrow?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, tomorrow. But then on Thursday, I'm going to need you and AJ on Thursday to help me take the cats to the vet.
There you go.
What is that? What are you
Well,
doing?
this is a throttle body cleaner, and it's too expensive to be using it on throttle body. But I use a couple drops in there.
Yeah, it's about right.
That's like $14 a can.
That's
man.
$14. That's a $14 can?
Yep.
Wow. Well, I won't know what to think about taking my car.
I don't know what to know.
I mean, I haven't taken my car to work.
I don't know what to know. I don't know what to know.
I haven't taken my car to work in 3 months.
I know when I know what to know. I don't know what to know. Do you know what to know?
So you certainly did some problem solving then, didn't you?
Problem solving.
So this is $14 for the can?
Yeah, that stuff's expensive. Any chemicals are expensive. Everything's expensive. You can buy a part for $599.99. I'll sell you one of mine. On a discount. For $1.99. How about that? I'll sell you one on discount. You're really be good to deal if you buy one of mine.
So did you get the car fixed? Make sure that door shuts. The wind keeps pulling it open. So did you get the car fixed? Yes, your dad certainly fixed it. Praise the Lord.
So the way I got it figured is, what happened is this cap right here was leaking oil really bad. Leaked oil all underneath the car and saturated the starter and made the starter not work anymore. So I got, and those battery cables were junk, so I got some better battery cables and changed that cap for the filter and put a new filter in it and a new starter, and I think she'll run. Let's give her a try. Let's try.
Well, thank you, Stephen. Thank you so much.
Try a fry. It's no sin to try.
I certainly put the mileage on the F-150.
The bank account can fill it. All right. So, I was wondering where AJ got that me stuff, and I started listening to myself. I think he learned all that me stuff from me.
Oh, you mean the bad grammar?
Yeah. When I said, well, here's me rags.
Oh, but you're saying it just in
Yeah, but he wants to be cool too, so. So anyway, when I realized I chewed him out about bad grammar, I realized I was the one that was saying it.
Oh, well.
I said, I don't know where you're learning that crap at, boy. You better quit listening to it. And then later on that night, I was going, give me me rags.
Oh, so you were catching your own bad grammar.
Well, I was finding out where he was learning it from.
Well, I guess that just goes to show you he doesn't get everything from me. That he's learning a lot from his father. I guess good and bad.
Yeah, well, the funny part is I was telling him, I don't know where you learned that bad grammar, boy. Your mom has spent 11 years teaching you grammar, and here you are saying, I don't know where me stuff is. And then I caught myself saying, I thought, oh, well, that's where he's learning that bad grammar. I don't know where you're learning that stuff, boy, but you better quit learning it.
That's pretty funny, Steven.
All right, well, let's see what you got. I'm almost anticipating it to go. You think of the goal without a jump? Let's see before it rains.
Hey, now.
Started like that because I was cleaning everything.
Oh.
Ooh, what are we gonna do? I really don't know what's gotta do. You wanna go for a ride?
All right.
Underneath the mistletoe.
I know AJ's gonna run out here and say, y'all are leaving me behind. He's gonna come out looking for us too.
This thing don't have windshield wipers. Look at those windshield wipers. They're stringly.
Oh!
Those things are stringly.
Oh, those are horrible windshield wipers. I didn't know they were in that bad of a shape. If we had known that, you could have picked some of those up. I didn't know they were in that.
I spent $200 on your car today.
What?
What?
Yes, you did. I didn't know the windshield wipers were like that. What?
There you go.
What made them like that?
There's your car.
Well, thank you, Steven.
That cap was leaking oil all over everything, and so it leaked it on the starter and made the starter go bad.
Well, thank you. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow where I need my wipers. We don't have any extra ones on hand, do we?
Maybe, I don't know. Have to look in my wiper stock.
I'm glad that this hasn't fully broken. This is where I cracked the window right here with a rock from the weed eater. It's been like that for
This is a jalopy.
You see
So we
the
bought this thing because Ruthie took her Ford Taurus, which was a really big car, took it flying. And when it landed, it bent like a banana. And it was no good anymore. So, unless you like driving humpback cars where the front bumper and the back bumper rub on the ground while the center of the car rides up in the air.
Oh, be careful. Here comes the horse and buggy. Or not buggy, but open wagon.
Yeah, you know how they'd be scared of this little tiny car with one headlight.
Oh, that's right. It does have headlight issues. That's right.
Yeah, well, don't get asking too much. You're not supposed to be driving this thing after dark anyway.
Okay, yeah. Well, praise the Lord, the summertime is here, or spring where it's not dark.
My
So.
trailer's still there with a flat tire. Tomorrow I'll have to call on some tires. Then if I can get some, I'll bring them up here and call what's his face and come over and put them on. I want to at least get 4 for the back axle.
you, Stephen.
There you go. You got moss growing under your mirrors there. See?
Oh, because it's been sitting for 3 months, I guess.
Yep. Got moss growing. I can't see anything. This car's so filthy.
This car's so filthy.
It is. It's dirtier inside than it was outside.
Well, considering it's not dark until after 7 o'clock now, then I should be okay with the headlight
Well, I
issue
think it's
then.
back to normal. Riding like the jalopy it always.
Riding like the jalopy that it was.
It's
Ah!
not made to take out of town. I mean, I'm sure it was at one time, but for us, it's just a town car.
Well, I mean, to go to work in Katie's.
Or go to Princeton grocery store. Other than that, wouldn't be taking this thing anywhere. Or to Hopkinsville or whatever. But I wouldn't take it any further than that. We got good vehicles for that.
Well, thank you, Stephen.
Look at all the grease on your thing there. Where'd that come
I don't know. I guess it's probably.
from? I don't know. I guess you'll have to clean it. Imagine that. Ricky'd have to clean her own car.
I'm so glad that we don't have to travel with a horse and a wagon.
There you go. It seems to be doing the job.
We left them in the dust.
We dusted. Well, there you go. I got a couple kisses out of the deal. You can pay up the rest.
Oh, here comes another horse. Look at that.
Pay the rest later.
I can pay the rest later.
Yep. Pay up later.
Pay up later.
What they're putting in with all them corn hooks.
Oh, I don't know. We have Mennonite neighbors that live right in front of us.
We're surrounded by Mennonites.
Yes, we are.
It's all right. They get crap all over our cars, but other than that.
Well, thank you, my love, for fixing my car.
Thank you, my bub. Lub-a-dub.
But like you said, you know, it's not dark until 7 o'clock anyway, so the headlight issue can wait.
It's got bad relays in it.
What does that mean?
For the headlights and relays.
Oh,
For some reason, it doesn't get a good connection to it.
and do you really have a storage stock on wipers, or were you just teasing?
Well, I do. I just don't know where they are. I'll have to look.
All right, and again, I did this crack in the window right here. Over.
There's a word.
Ah, he came looking for us.
Break the freaking windshield. Don't ever pound on glass.
Did you miss us?
No, I wanted you all to see this.
He missed us.
No, I didn't.
AJ missed his parents.
No, I didn't.
He missed us.
Isn't good spelling.
AJ, you missed us?
Bicycle, helmet,
You mi-
skyscraper,
You missed one. Car.
toothpaste. What is this? Toothbrush. Tractor. What is that on the bottom? Clad pizza.
Club, pizza, and car.
Well, that's enough for today.
Finally! It's a miracle.
Hey, did you know that we both left and you missed us?
I knew we both left, and I didn't.
Oh, he didn't miss us, Steven.
Yeah, well, you know he never tells the truth.
Be quiet.